Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. Yes, I watch TV.
What is your father's name? What is your father's name?
My father's name is Kareem. My father's name is Kareem.
What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rahima. My mother's name is Rahima.
Do you have a mobile phone? Do you have a mobile phone?
Yes, I have a mobile phone. Yes, I have a mobile phone.
Do you use the internet? Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet. Yes, I use the internet.
Do you like your country? Do you like your country?
Yes, I love my country. Yes, I love my country.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I am not married. No, I am not married.
Do you have a job? Do you have a job?
No, I am a student. No, I am a student.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early. Yes, I wake up early.
Do you exercise? Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise daily. Yes, I exercise daily.
Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. Yes, I like reading books.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
No, I can't drive. No, I can't drive.